So someone commented on one of my last videos about the honeybees asking how to make this feeder. So I thought I'd show you guys, and I might do a video more in depth about how to make a feeder later on. But basically, you can see there's just those real small holes. It's just an old pickle jar, and we washed it out and can fill it with syrup. Now what I'm doing is the bees obviously have to get under this, so I just set it on this ledge because you can see there's a little bit of a space for a bee to crawl under there. So to refill it, I'll just open it up. You can see that's the underside of the lid. It's not the cleanest, but they don't mind. And then I have a recycled vinegar container that I keep my honey feed in, or my honeybee feed in, because it's spring. I do a 1-to-1 sugar ratio mix, and so I'm just putting the last of the feed in. I need to make more. Then I screw the lid on and tip it upside down. Now you know your holes are not too big if they're not dripping. So just gonna put that back, let it rest on the two sides. That way the bees can get under there and get their food. This is an open feeder, so I'm probably feeding some neighborhood bees, but that's okay. I'm feeding my hives too, so hope that helps.